Good morning everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back here. Thank you for tuning in if this is your first time. Okay, so today I'm going on a trip with my family on the train. I'm super excited. It's been like 2 years that we've been on a train trip together as a family, even though we travel on the by car as a family together, but today is the first time in 2 years that we're traveling together. I have the whole family here, the whole crew is here. Okay, so meet my husband.
Hi guys. Hi. How are you? Good to have you guys here.
So, the kids. Samuel, say hi. Hi. Jesus Fermi, say hi. Hi. Okay, you can see I am so excited this morning. This trip is very important to me because it's so comforting. I'm so relaxed. There's no routine to follow here. I'm off my daily routines. It's so relaxing and refreshing. Even though I'm sure I'll still start shouting at the kids, stop that, stop doing this, but at least I'm having a good time. So I decided to make a video because I would love to carry you guys along on the journey as we go. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you. Babe, I noticed that the train is kind of slower today. Because if we take the fleece bus, that's the bus. It takes about 55 minutes approximately. Okay. But I noticed that this one we're supposed to arrive by 11:16. Meaning that it's going to take an hour.
An hour, yeah.
So why is it like that today? Because I know you take the train as in frequently.
Because it's an holiday, and usually if it's in the morning, like it's a working day and it's in the morning, like the stay with the duration of stay in each of the guard that will be passing.
Okay, the
stops are usually shorter. They are usually shorter because. But it's an holiday, so it's more relaxed. That's why it's 1 hour ride.
So does it mean that the extended stay by each stop, like they're waiting for customers, they're waiting for clients or what?
I guess. Actually, when there are some trains that you take like in the morning, I've taken trains in the morning before that. Some of these stops, some of these stops, it doesn't stop at all. Except see all those small cities. Yeah, it doesn't stop in some of them. It just goes. It's actually not running now.
Okay. We have 16 minutes left to alight, but we're in Rouen already. Rouen is another city. It's quite close to our city. It's 1.5 minutes to okay. I missed the what's it called? Can you pronounce it? Montville. Oh, d'accord. So we are by Montville now. No, that other one says Salty. That's the exit. I love this landscape. It's beautiful.
Daddy, where did you park your car?
It's a beautiful landscape. Oh, there's another train approaching us. So this other one is going back
What does
to our
approaching
city.
mean?
Approaching like it's getting close to us.
They're going back to our city.
Yeah, the other one is going back to our city. Transportation system in France is super it's properly structured. You can't get stranded. Everything has like a timing, a system. If you miss your train, you can quickly book for another one. Maybe another one might come in like 1 hour to 2 hours, but you would not want to miss your train, especially if you have somewhere very important to go. If you have an appointment, you would not want to miss your train. In France, you don't really need to have a car because there are buses and trains and trams everywhere, so getting a car is not really necessary, like if you don't want to, because it's quite expensive to have a car in France. Because you need to pay for insurance. If you don't pay for insurance, you'll be in serious trouble with the police. And insurance is not cheap. Insurance is not cheap, to be honest. But sometimes it's important because there are some cities where the transportation system is not really well structured. Like there are buses coming like every 1 hour. Imagine you need to be somewhere and
Mommy,
you miss.
When are we going to be there?
Hold on. Imagine you need to be somewhere and you miss your bus. If you stay in those smaller cities and you miss your bus, it means you'll be definitely late. But if you live in bigger cities, the trains, the buses, they come in like every 10 minutes. Or the trams, they come in like every 10 minutes. Or some come in like 5 minutes. So
were to be on a working day, if it were to be on a working day, the train doesn't stop in some of these stops. It just goes fast.
You know, you are the frequent traveler.
You will see some of the train time is usually shorter during
work
days. It's like maybe 40 minutes, 45 minutes, you know. But for a more chilled weekend, you know, they can wait at some of these stops. Actually, even on a work day, let's say when there are less traffic, maybe like around 12, when they know most people have gone to work and all that, yeah, it then stops in some of these. I also think it's a way to feed, to serve some of these stops. Small cities, yeah, because you know, usually this is my thinking. Usually they don't have much people maybe going from there, and also maybe their own train time. You know, if you were to be in one of those small cities, then maybe the train time, well, maybe I don't know, 9, and then after 9 maybe it's 11.
It's 11, yeah.
So this train stopping in all those ones will be totally useless.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you were to board, if you were to be a work day and then you board the train like it's 7 a.m, it's going very fast. Then you get to where you're going very fast. But on a chill day like this, I guess it's 1 hour or more.
Okay, so far, are you enjoying the trip?
Yes, I'm enjoying the trip.
I'm used to it. So
that's why you're sitting like a chairman now.
You're sitting like a trauma.
Guys, are you guys enjoying the trip?
Yes.
And I see that you guys are well behaved today. Thank you very much. Sam, I've changed.
Hello, guys. Welcome to your home.
Fermi, where's your Superman book? Your Spider-Man, that booklet? You don't want to paint it? Did you get your crayon that fell off?
Yes.
Okay, I'm also enjoying the trip. If I were to be at home, I'll be on my feet, cooking, cleaning, doing this and that, but I'm relaxed. I'm so relaxed, so comforting. I think we should have more trips like this. Babe, said I think we should have more trips like this often. Yeah, we should make it like a tradition.
Yeah, bro.
But you already know it's a tradition. It's just
like on by train. I know we travel by car, but it's much more relaxing. You don't need to drive.
The train is going to stop on the
traffic, and you know.
Yeah.
And you have time to do your stuff.
Yeah.
So we should go on more trips by train.
Yeah.
I like it. I love it.
Mommy, see where we are. What far away?
Okay, we're in another station. What station is this? I can't see the name anywhere. Okay, so it's stopping to pick another set of passengers.
Let me see. Do you want me to do another one of these?
Fermi, you're drawing so well. And you don't want to paint your... why is your rainbow... This your rainbow is scaring me. Why does he have all this?
I don't know. Maybe some got transforming into palms.
Fermi, pick it up quickly. light rail mode of transportation in France, and they are quite fast. They are quite fast. They come in like every 5 minutes, every 7 minutes sometimes. But today it's Sunday, so we had to wait for like 17 extra minutes before the metro got to us. So, so basically, it's another mode of transportation in France. Even though we don't have this light rail, it's called tram in France. We don't have this light rail in our city, but we're in a bigger city here. It's called Rouen, and it's a bigger city. The population is quite big. Our population in Dieppe is about 29,000, so we have just the bus, and we have buses, and we have the train, but the train is intercity. It doesn't walk within our city, it's intercity. Like, it takes you from our city maybe to Paris, to other cities. So basically, but we're in a bigger city here. It's quite big. A lot of people. I don't actually know the population here, but I know that there are a lot of people.
230.
Okay, it's about 230,000 people compared to my city, which we are about 29,000 people only. But I love the place. It's quiet, it's calm, it's cool, beautiful place to raise children. But all the same, I love bigger cities too because of the vibes you get, bigger restaurants. You have so many options of restaurants in the bigger city. So, but both ways, I love both. I don't mind living in the bigger city though, in the nearest future. Thank you for your journey so far. I'm going to definitely put that back. Do